The statement I got earlier today said that site search in a Google search no longer works as of July 14th, 2023. That is not true. It does work. I go to google.com and right here I type site. I can do linkedin.com/in, which is where all of the LinkedIn profiles are. I put the word Teddy and I hit enter. And you'll see images for site looking for Teddy. There's a bunch of Teddys. I don't know why my picture's not there, but there's a bunch of Teddys. But there's, again, linkedin.com, and this is in the folder IN. There's Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. All of these results are only reporting back content that Google found in this folder. If I change it right here and I do company, because that's where all the companies are listed, and I put Burris and I hit enter. Burris Consulting is a company. Burris Company with one S, that's a company. Burris Electric, that's a company. All of this is information that Google found, again, in the site search of linkedin.com/company. If you think the site search is not working, it is possible that you have a space right there. And if you have a space before the or after the word site, but before the URL, it won't work. You have to have the word site, and then the URL. Again, this whole string right here has to be with no spaces in it. Again, you put a space, it won't work. It is July 16th, 2023. This still works. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.